嗨，大家好，我是蓝美兰医生。我在医学界有超过20年的经验，也拥有15年的医美经验。那对我而言，医美是让人看起来自然又美丽，而散发出一种独一无二的魅力与自信，而不是看起来又假又僵硬。Now we know that turkey neck or necklines can be caused by a number of factors. One is the weakening of the neck muscles, along with the skin losing elasticity over the neck. Now we know that the skin on the neck is generally very thin, weak and delicate as compared to the rest of the face and the body. Now there's very little fats and subcutaneous tissue covering the neck muscles. Now just like the skin on your face, the factors affect aging of the skin will include extrinsic factors such as the sun, UV rays, the blue lights, the pollution in the air, and intrinsic factors will include genetics, the loss of fats and subcutaneous tissue from our neck as we age. However, the additional factors that cause specifically the skin on your neck to age and make it look older than the rest of you. And we know that both the skin on the back of the hands and your neck are actually the two areas that reveal your age besides your face. Now, constantly looking down at your smartphones and laptops is a very important factor to cause the formation of necklines. Now, most people will notice the neck skin beginning to significantly sag and wrinkle around the age of mid to late 30s, and we are seeing the effect more these days in millennials because of the constant scrolling of the smartphones and the laptops. Now, that's also when underlying platysmal muscles start to detach and loosen when you reach your mid to late 30s, and these platysmal bands will then show through your thinning skin as vertical bands from your chin to your collarbone, and that's why we have the appearance of the turkey neck. Typically, to treat neck bends, necklines, or turkey neck, a combination treatments are required. We can use HIFU, such as our therapy, to target the superficial muscular aponeurotic system, or the SMAS. Now, this SMAS is found between the skin and the muscle. Now, our therapy will deliver focused ultrasound waves to target the SMAS to stimulate the growth of collagen, thereby tightening the skin around the jawline, okay, on your chin, your neck, and even the decolletage to make the neck lines and the neck bends less obvious. The second treatment we can use is the use of botulinum toxin to create the Nefertiti neck lift. Now, Nefertiti lift is named after the famous ancient Egyptian queen Nefertiti, who has a beautiful, slender, swan-like neck. Now, Nefertiti lift is a non-invasive procedure whereby tiny amounts of botulinum toxins are injected into the muscles in your neck, especially the ones that create a downward pull on your jawline, relaxing these muscles and thereby giving you the Nefertiti neck lift. The third treatment we can use to complement both the our therapy, the HIFU, or the Nefertiti neck lift using botulinum toxin is Profilo. Now, we know Profilo is a very new and exciting treatment that's available in Singapore since 2019. The indication of Profilo is to improve skin laxity, and is also to improve the skin hydration and the skin elasticity. And our Profilo, besides being able to be used on the face, it can also be used on the neck, producing excellent results. And it also can be used on the skin at the back of the hands. Now, 5 points are injected on each side of the neck. So the whole neck, you only need 10 points to actually hydrate, to tighten your neck skin, and to give you a more beautiful, hydrated and plump up skin on the neck. Now, the other treatment we can use to complement all the treatment above, our therapy, HIFU, botulinum toxin, and Profilo, is Rejuren. Now, Rejuren is derived from salmon sperm DNA. It's a polynucleotide, or PM. Rejuren is a healer. It is not a hyaluronic acid filler. The purpose of Rejuren is to stimulate our fibroblasts or our cell to produce its own collagen and its HA, thereby improving the overall skin appearance. Rejuren is also very safe and biocompatible with our human DNA, and therefore doesn't cause any adverse side effects. And it also does not feel like a filler. Now, Rejuven indeed is an excellent treatment to heal fine lines and wrinkles on the neck when used in combination with the treatment above to improve your necklines and your turkey neck. Now, there are basically two types of necklines. The vertical necklines or neckbands, which are generally present when a person is young, and these are congenital necklines, the vertical necklines, and these are generally more difficult to treat. The second type of necklines are the vertical necklines or the neckbands, and these usually happen as we age due to weakening of the muscles, loss of collagen and fats from the neck, and also weakening of the skin, causing the platysmal bands of the neck protrude through the skin, causing the turkey neck appearance.